Hello future viewers, and welcome to A Day. And on this video I will make a bird feeder. Now, the first step is to take the pet bottle, and remove this tank. It's easy. Now we use the roller. Take the roller, take the marker or something you have. If this optional, this thing right here, the marker, the pen or something what have. So now we mark with this a point 4 centimeters below the cap. Now I punch a hole in the other side. Oh, I'm destroying the bottle. Go! Yes, I am the bad. Okay, I did it. Now we take the stick, but here, and that'll be difficult. So stick or not, I think that's this one. Sometime, but probably. Yes. See? Now, you gotta punch our holes. But we just make the same thing, but instead of just 4 centimeters below the cap, make 6 centimeters below the cap, and in the other side. The side right here. So let's do it. And we can fit right here. Yes, I did it. Now the next step is that you turn the bottom upside down, and we'll mark some points above the sticks, 4 centimeters above. So the circle that I made here, the circle. Now punch a hole here so we can cut. See? Now I just make it thing like this and start cutting. Now instead I cut everything with the scissors. Now we can just take the bottle, put it in here, over here, and now we're gonna take the cap and put it here with tape, and you have a bird feeder. See? Perfect.